Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a Google account with two-step verification and a registered developer profile, because Play Console requires verified identity. Once done, open a supported browser, go to the Play Console sign-in, and enter your Google credentials. Make sure to accept any permission prompts. They grant the console access to your developer profile. If your account has multiple profiles, choose the developer profile tied to your registration, and then allow the console to load the dashboard. Once signed in, locate the account selector at top left and pick the developer profile that holds your apps. This avoids editing the wrong project. Then open Apps and choose an existing app, or click Create App and follow the basic metadata prompts. Make sure to verify ownership and link services, because Play Console ties services like API access and billing to the app entry. If you need team access, go to Users and Permissions, add or adjust roles before making changes. To finish, confirm you can view core sections, releases, store presence, and policy. These indicate full access. Next, complete any pending identity checks or payments, because incomplete steps restrict publishing features. Save changes and sign out, then sign back in to validate session persistence. If something goes wrong, first clear browser cache and cookies, then try an incognito window or use your backup two-step verification method. This single troubleshooting step resolves most sign-in.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.